Hi everyone, I am going to make a little pair of earrings using these pretty little blue, sort of matte colored beads and these sort of aquamarine colored beads here. So I'm using a 20 gauge head pin. It's gold plated. And we're going to get started. This is just a simple little pair of earrings that anybody can make using stuff from your craft stores. I don't know if Walmart has it, but you can find this generally anywhere, the head pins, and just use different beads and different spacers. Because you're probably not going to find the identical beads and spacers, but you could get close. And we're going to just string these on. And if you have a problem with the bead falling off, that means your hole's too big in the bead, or this is too small. And you can put a little seed bead down there, or a smaller hole bead. I've had some that I put on and they just fall right off the bottom. So that's a fix for it if you use a different, same color of a seed bead or something if they're falling off. Alright, now these are big enough that we can just cut them and bend them down. And I am going to hole it where it's all the way down at the bottom, and I'm going to clip it about a little bit less than a ½ inch. I've been clipping them at about a ½ inch, but I think depending on how big your loop is, I would do a practice one so I know how big I make my loops. Alright, and then we've cut them. I've got about that much at the top, holding it at the bottom. So then I use flush cutters to cut them with. These are round nose, so I'm going to roll it back and roll it around. I had a whole set of these and I don't know what happened to them all. They might be down in my desk downstairs or packed up in a box when we moved, but I haven't been able to find them. Which we haven't went through everything downstairs yet, but we've went through a whole lot. Alright, now wrap it around. Make a loop and make sure it touches there. You want it touching. And since I don't have right strength reading glasses on, I can't really see as good as I could with the other ones. I broke the other ones, which they were cheap, but I still broke them. They were from Dollar Tree. I'd wore them for about a year or so. I got my use out of them, but I broke the frame, and the lens kept falling out, so I had to get different ones, and I didn't know what strength I needed, and I needed a stronger strength for little stuff. And all we do is we twist them open. I feel like I'm getting hoarse. Hook it on, twist it back, and there we go. Cute little blue pair of earrings. And y'all, I really appreciate y'all sticking out to the end and liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. And if you get a chance, check out my other channels. And y'all take care out there. Okay? Have a good summer, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.